Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.3, Problem 13. This is Section 3.3, Problem 13. It says compute an exact answer to the problem shown, and we have 127.224 plus 42.989. Now, before I can add these numbers, I have to rewrite the problem so that the decimal points line up. They're not directly over and under each other, and that's what needs to happen before I can start adding the numbers together. So, let me write 127.224, and I'll write 42.989, but I will write that so that the decimals line up like that. Now they're directly over and under each other, and it's going to come, again, straight down to stay in the answer. So now I can start adding the digits. 4 plus 9 is 13. Write the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 more is 11. Write 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. Put the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. For 10, put 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. There's nothing to carry. Then 1 plus nothing under it is just 1. So we have a final answer of 170.213.